The most important difference between WhatsApp and Telegram is their differing attitude toward users' privacy and data. Whilst WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption for all of its services, Telegram only does so when secret chats. The end-to-end encrypted mode in Telegram is enabled. Once users enable secret chats, they are able to send self-destructing messages and photos, which can be set to disappear after a specific time period. In addition to this, there is the possibility of creating channels, or pages where people can update and share with other people what they are doing. This mode doesn't allow readers to respond, as it is kind of a space dedicated to fans or people who are interested in receiving a certain type of information. In order to protect user privacy, Signal devised a new way to communicate, which is called sealed sender. Thanks to that, no one will be able to know, not even Signal, who is messaging whom, except the sender and the recipient. Like Telegram, you have features such as disappearing messages and the ability to send one-time viewable images.